Can't wait to install your favorite VR games on your MetaQuest 3? Here are 2 ways to browse the full Quest library and get any game or app you want. So to install games or apps, first you'll need to open the Meta Horizon store. This should be in the universal bar, but if you don't find it here, then just open the library and open store from there. First of all, you can use the top tabs, from where you can switch to games, apps, the Horizon Plus tab, where you can find games included with the Meta Horizon Plus subscription. Also, if you want to view all the free games or paid games demo, then you can go to the Homes tab and select Free. And now you can see the most popular free games on top, then some more categories. If you want to view all, then select See All from here. You can further customize the results by using the top filters. Or you can directly search for the app that you're looking for. Now to install an app, click on it, then select Get. It should start downloading automatically or added to the download queue. So just wait until the download is finished. If you're installing multiple games, then they will be added to the queue. And to view all your download progress and the games that you have installed, simply open your library, and then you can view all your games and apps here. And if you want to download a game that's in the queue, you can hover on top of that and hit Download Now to prioritize that download. And that's all. Now all you gotta do is wait for the game download to finish, then you can start gaming on your MetaQuest 3. Hope you found this useful, and game on!